Kaunti ya KIAMBU ni imwe ya kaunti iria igumirwo ni ndamathia ya njohi ngananie hamwe na ndawa cia KUREBIA, na kumana na uguo kambuni itiganite hamwe na andu kiumbe matongoretio ni kambuni ya wendia wa ngari ya Maridadi Motors ni mambiriirie kunyitanira na thirikari bara-ini ya kuhitana na thina uyu. Maugite itanya riao ni kwamba kuhonokia mwana wa KAHII uria thengia wa gukorwo ahutitio na njira nene ni ndamathia ino akoretwo akiriganira, na aria marahonokio ndamathia-ini ino makanyitirirwo na njira itiganite.
A boy child has been left out, but it is my prayer that the society will embrace the idea and the boys will change their focus in terms of their development, in terms of the way they think, in terms of the way they do things.
Undu uyu ugikinyanirio na guthakithia muthako wa gofu kundu gutiganite guku bururi-ini, makiuga niguo kuhotana bara ino no nginya andu na honge ciothe inyitanire na thirikari.
Because we are trying to demystify this conversation of empowering the boy child. We do not want it to flow as a conversation that is supposed to be done by the government alone or by the politicians alone. We want it to be a social cause, and we want every person to understand that this is a great responsibility that we have to empower our boy children so that tomorrow they can be responsible citizens.
It's supporting the boy child in form of it caters for the expenses. That is there is a golf fees that is normally paid when playing. There is a transport towards the place and sometimes accommodation.
Mbeu njithi ni moritio kwaga kuona njohi na ndawa cia KUREBIA tari cio kihonia kia mathina maria maragerera.
My advice to Maridadi Motors is that they go to mashinani and take care of the boy that is taking drugs out there because of frustrations, and more so they can also look for something that they can do to empower them financially, because once they are busy with things that they can do, it means they will not go to drink, they will be responsible in their own homes.
Aritana ringi ni kuri thirikari gukorwo igitwara muthako wa gofu nginya mathukuru-ini niguo utuike muthako wa andu othe.
Here in the country, many people perceive golf as a sport of the affluent, but when I travel out of this country, I get shocked. Like when I go to the Asian countries, you will find that, very ordinary people play golf. A salesperson in a simple company will tell you, today in the afternoon I'm going to play golf. And we need to demystify golf. It has to start with us, the golfers, by getting our non-golfer friends to come to the golf course. And we are saying it is a beautiful sport, and sport is one way of fighting the sedentary lifestyle that leads to lifestyle diseases.
Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.